Okay, so when it comes to contracts, one of the things you want to look for is you want to be locked into a contract that's going to give you a good rate. A lot of companies, they want you to sign these short-term contracts, and every month they go up on the price every year. If you go into a 3-year contract and you're locked in for $22.50 per month, is what we're doing for our ARA members, that's going to be a premium rate right there. It's going to be a good savings, and you with a reputable company.